here's one thing I just talked to the owner about, and it makes sense. See the sprayer that was just right here. There was another sprayer that fell down over here to get up to here, and this is her only one little plot where she wants to plant stuff. Well, I mean, obviously she's got pots like this. I'm going to put a dripper over here, kind of same way that she did for that over there. I'll tie it in over there. But this is her main raised planter area. She wants to plant all kinds of different things in here. If you do that, you can't just have a bubbler. Normally, like I said, I would put a bubbler right here, one there, that's it. But because this is a raised area for vegetables that she wants to grow and stuff, I'm going to take the sprayers and probably relocate them. I'll turn the water on first and see if I can adjust this, see how high it goes. I was thinking initially, well, maybe 2 sprayers, one here, one there. Obviously, that's not going to be enough. And I thought maybe one over there, one over here, one there, 4. Maybe that's not enough, and there's too much overspray. I might have 6 of those. Boom, 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 boom. Who knows? Before you get all rambunctious, you want to kind of identify what you're going to be doing. Okay, and then turn the sprinklers on and see what sort of coverage you're getting and what sort of things that you may see that you wouldn't have seen had you not turned the bubblers on. Okay, now every sprinkler system usually has a timer somewhere in the garage or somewhere outside the garage or something like that. And usually you can override the system to just turn on certain stages at a time. This one here I think has 6 stages. So I think the first 4 are the grass, 2 in the front yard, 2 in the backyard, 5 and 6 are probably bubblers. I'll have to see. So I'll have to do a little trial and error on that. Look at that. Get the bubblers on. Get the drippers on, and then check that out before I get down and dirty. Well, that's all I got for this time. Where am I? That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Every time you watch some of my videos, I hope that you're going to learn how to save money around the house.